Number 1.
1989 Toyota pickup, price $8,900. This truck has 237,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4-cylinder 22 or gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, making it a classic and well-preserved example of Toyota's legendary compact pickup. The truck has recently received a fresh coat of paint in its original blue color and is accented with genuine NOS Toyota side stripes. It also features a new front chrome bumper, new taillights, a new timing belt with heavy-duty guides, a new valve cover gasket, fresh oil, and new spark plugs. It runs and drives well, offering dependable performance for daily driving or weekend cruising. With a clean title and numerous recent maintenance updates, this Toyota pickup is ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
2002 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900. This truck has 207,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, a reliable 5.3L gasoline engine, a black exterior, and a clean gray interior. It is a short bed, single cab pickup that has been well maintained and serviced on schedule throughout its life. Equipped with nearly every available factory option for the 2002 model year, this truck features power windows, power door locks, dual power seats, air conditioning, heating, and factory fog lights. It runs and drives exceptionally well with no mechanical issues, has no oil leaks, and consistently passes California smog inspections. The seller has a clean California title and a Carfax report available, and the truck is currently registered. Despite its age, the interior remains in excellent condition with clean carpeting and no rips or tears.
Number 3.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $10,000. This truck has 166,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior with a clean gray interior, making it a well-kept and dependable full-size pickup. The truck runs and drives excellently, with the air conditioning working great to keep the cabin comfortable.
It has been well maintained and is clean both inside and out. The current tags and registration are up to date, so it's ready to drive immediately.
It also comes with less than 100 miles on a brand new set of wheels and tires, and includes the original factory wheels fitted with brand new Michelin tires, offering added value for the next owner.
Number 4.
2002 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,995. This truck comes with 95,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a reliable 4.7L V8 gasoline engine with rear-wheel drive. It has a clean title and a clean Carfax, providing added peace of mind about its ownership and maintenance history. The truck has already passed smog inspection and is fully road-ready. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives exceptionally smoothly, with a strong engine and responsive automatic transmission that make it a pleasure to drive.
The air conditioning blows ice-cold, ensuring comfort in warm weather, while the tires are in good condition and have plenty of life left. The seller also offers DMV and registration services, making the buying process simple and convenient. Overall, this Dodge Ram 1500 has been well cared for and is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable full-size pickup that is ready to be driven home. Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300. This truck has 204,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior paired with a black interior. Powered by a dependable 5.3L Vortec V8 engine, this truck is equipped with a 4WD/4X4 drivetrain and the desirable Z71 off-road suspension package, making it well-suited for both daily driving and off-road adventures. The previous owner has kept it well-equipped with new tires, the LT package, and an extended cab for added passenger and cargo space. Inside, it offers leather heated seats, power windows, and power locks for comfort and convenience. It also comes with a factory tow package complete with a hitch receiver, making it ready for towing trailers, boats, or other equipment.
Number 6.
1986 Toyota pickup, price $4,900. This truck is a well-preserved classic powered by the dependable 22R engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, 2WD. Finished in its original beige paint, this short bed pickup has just 100,000 original miles, reflecting its well-maintained condition. It runs and drives great, offers cold air conditioning for added comfort, and comes equipped with a brand new set of tires, making it ready for the road. The truck has a clean Nevada title and is known for the legendary reliability of the 22R engine, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable vintage Toyota that can be enjoyed as a daily driver or weekend cruiser.
Number 7.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. This truck has 151,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.0 L V8 fuel-injected gasoline engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, this classic pickup has a distinctive appearance that stands out while maintaining its original character. Equipped with the desirable SLX trim package, this regular cab short-bed Sierra offers a comfortable bench seat, power steering, power brakes with rear ABS, factory-tinted glass, and an AM/FM radio for an enjoyable driving experience. The combination of its dependable V8 powertrain, automatic transmission, and well-appointed factory features makes it a practical and enjoyable classic truck for daily cruising, weekend drives, or adding to a collection.
Number 8.
1995 Dodge Ram 2500, price $6,500. This truck has only 88,000 original miles and is powered by a dependable 8.0 L V10 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a clean tan interior, this 4x4 features a floor-shift transfer case and is built to handle both everyday driving and tougher jobs with ease. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck delivers a solid driving experience. The interior has been exceptionally well cared for and remains super clean, while the exterior is in good overall condition with only some minor paint chipping consistent with the truck's age. The air conditioning blows cold, there are no fluid leaks, and everything is ready for its next owner.
Number 9.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $2,999. Dependable work truck that has been well maintained and runs and drives 100%. Powered by a reliable 5.9 L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers solid performance both on and off the road thanks to its capable 4x4 drivetrain. With 219,000 miles on the odometer, this white exterior truck features a clean gray interior and comes equipped with cold air conditioning for added comfort.
The emissions inspection is valid for the next 2 years, making it ready for the road. While it does show some normal wear and tear consistent with its age, it remains a strong, reliable pickup that's ready to get the job done. Number 10.
2000 Ford F-150, price $2,500. This truck has 270,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. The truck runs exceptionally well, with the engine and transmission both performing at 100%, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience. The air conditioning blows ice cold, making it comfortable to drive even in hot weather. While it has a few minor cosmetic imperfections consistent with its age, they are purely aesthetic and do not affect the truck's performance or drivability. The vehicle also comes with a clean title in hand, making the ownership transfer simple and hassle-free.